Mobility and transport cause climate-damaging emissions of 22 million tons per year in Austria. This is a large amount, although it is a small country with only 8 million people and emissions are increasing. An interesting fact is that 10% of all car rides are shorter than 1 kilometer. The Austrian Post Office is the largest logistics provider in Austria. Its employees travel around 290,000 kilometers every day. About 15 million liters of fuel are needed each year for the 9,500 vehicles. The buildings of the post office need 130 million kilowatt hours every year. All of this leads to high CO2 emissions and is bad for the climate. To fight against this development, the Austrian Post AG started a very big e-mobility project. The car park is replaced by electric vehicles, which are very well suited for short distances. Through a car-sharing system, these vehicles can also be used by other companies. PV modules provide green energy for buildings and charge the e-vehicles. This is a perfect example of how to fight climate change effectively.